Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Working on a 2014 Chevy Silverado today. Customer came in with a P0128 code, which is engine coolant temperature below regulating temp. This is going to be that fix, so let's get into this. The reason you get this 128 code is because of your thermostat. This thermostat's up here. Usually they're down there on the bottom. But what we are going to do today is we are going to be changing this thermostat out. So usually they get stuck closed, stuck open, or the circulation's poor. So let's get into this video again. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this hose clamp, upper hose clamp off. I'm going to take this hose clamp, this hose off. And also we are going to release the pressure in the coolant. Please be careful if your vehicle's hot. Alright, so let's get into this and I'll get those off. Yes, and that's as hard as it gets to fix this P0128 code. Like I said, just replace that thermostat and this will take care of that code for you. And then clear the code in the ECM and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please loop that like button, subscribe down below. Until next time.